Am I the only one that didn't know that a cluttered phone could be this frustrating? First, check your storage status. Go to Settings, then Battery and Device Care, and select Storage. Take note of what's hogging space. Next, declutter your files. Open the My Files app, browse internal storage, and delete unnecessary or duplicate files. Don't forget to empty the recycle bin. Got an SD card? Move your media there. Insert the card, select your files in My Files, and move them to the SD card. Also set your camera app to save new photos there directly. Now, let's tackle those apps. Go to Settings, Apps. Uninstall anything you don't use. For frequently used apps, clear their cache to free up temporary storage. Disable pre-installed apps you don't need. In Settings Apps, find the app and tap Disable. Optimize further by clearing browser data and managing old messages. Use cloud storage like Google Photos for backups and delete local copies. Finally, as a last resort, consider a factory reset, but back up everything first. Now, enjoy your spacious Samsung Galaxy Grand Prime Plus.